natural look. Did I do a good job? Do it look like it's natural? Without the gels, without the mousse, without crunchiness, just natural. And you can do this on any type of wig. Well, I don't know if it'll work on silky styles. For your yakis, your kinky curlies, also your kinky straight. If you are looking for your protective style, but you don't want no hairline, you want to look like you at least have a natural hairline going on. Today's wig comes from Ashimary Hair. I will have it linked below in the description box. It's beautiful kinky curly. Ashimary is always going to deliver when it comes to beautiful styles. This is a pre-everything wig, so you don't have to worry about plucking hair because the wig comes mostly done. All you have to do is just follow the 2-3 steps that I'm about to give you, and you can have a really beautiful style just like this in seconds. Again, everything will be linked below in the description box. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and also leave me a comment. So before we get started, let me go over the specs of today's style because it is a really pretty style. This is a pre-everything wig. You don't need to do much to it at all except take it out and style it. That's actually what I'm going to do today. So as you can see, the hairline and everything comes pre-plucked. This is the Invisible Strap 360 lace frontal wig. It is a kinky curly texture in 24 inches. Cap construction is beautiful straight out the box. You got combs on the inside. You got the invisible strap. You have a strap that you can take in and out. You also get that pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace. And this is just an all-around glueless wig that you can wear. They did also add tape. Now this tape can be used to adhere to size. I will make sure to put all of the details in the description box for you guys. So make sure to check the link below. I'm really excited about today's style. I think what I'm gonna do today is a couple of hairstyles. As you can see, this wig does not come with any baby hair. So if you don't like them, if you don't want anything, you can leave it just like this straight out the box and you have a beautiful style. I'm gonna say the fit on this cap is amazing. Like there is nothing hanging over my ear. Like all around the hairline, everything just looks really good. I do want to show you guys what they give you in your kit. Sometimes you may have to get this separately, but this is everything I received. They give you everything you need so that you will be able to install your wig. Extra tape, extra invisible strap. I have a full tutorial on how to insert this. You need to redo your strap at any time. Well, they did throw in this and I want to see what's in here, so I guess you guys can unbox it with me. They just threw in some little goodies. Hair bow for Halloween. Another sticker. Are these stickers? Oh, I really do love when companies give free gifts, especially when you don't expect it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a little disclaimer. If you're watching this video and it's been a year, it's been a month, I can't say that all these freebies are going to be. That's why sometimes it's important to catch the videos early. But right now, if you catch this wig, they are, I guess, giving little freebies in the box when you purchase your wig. All right, so let's get straight into the install. It's going to be very simple. First thing you want to do is just take the comb and insert it underneath your hair. And then you want to go ahead and take the invisible strap and tighten it and just pull it. And they do have a pretty thick stopper. And do the same thing to the other side. Tape and remove this blue piece off. And once you do that, all you do is just stick it down like so. Very nice. All right, take your edge band, of course, and you want to tie that down. Now, I haven't done anything here yet, and that's because I'm going to wait. But we're going to go ahead and just tie down the tape so that it can press into the skin. Now I'm going to take the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just going to spray this on the hairline. Just rub a little bit through the hairline, rub it down. The hairline is down. You're gonna need this curler, a razor, and also an edge brush because they just work better. Since they already did everything for you, you wanna make sure that the hairline is not crunchy. Take your comb and go like this to kind of break up the product if you use any product. If you didn't use product, you have nothing to worry about. I'm gonna take some edges out. We're just gonna pull some hair forward. It's already pre-tweezed for you. And we're gonna do this back and front. Go into the knots with this right here. This is just gonna make it a little bit more flawless. The knots are slightly bleached, but not fully bleached, so it's okay. You can take a little bit of foundation around the hairline that'll cover up anything that you may see. Now what I'm gonna do is take a section, and the point is to bring the hairs toward the face, make it lay this way. Now, the one thing about it already being curly hair, even if you wet it with product, it's just going to curl back up, so it doesn't matter. In the back, I'm just going to trim them shorter. Now, you don't have to use so much hair. You can use just, a little bit of hair. I'm going to brush it upwards and then just bring some back down. I'm not going to leave too much hair back there. For the front, I'm going to go ahead and trim them down to make them a little bit longer rather than shorter. That way you can get a natural flow of edges. My razor sucks, y'all. And I'm just going to brush them back like this. We're going to take it back and then we're going to pull it back down so that I can get just a little bit of edges instead of having so many. You don't want it to look like a bang. So once you have that, now you can go ahead and style. So the key to this is to not use product on the baby hairs. We want this to look as feathered as possible. I'm just going to take a razor and just kind of go through and get rid of any dense areas. Take this wide tooth comb here and kind of just fluff the hair. As you can see, the edges are very soft. Making sure not to put too much product gives you the best results. And as you see, the hair fluffed out really good. It doesn't have a lot of frizz to it. Everything up into a high ponytail and twist this. In the back, we're going to just bring the hairs down. You can tweeze the back if you would like. I'm not going to do that. Or you can do a flip over method where you just wear it to the side. Now you guys can see that I didn't play with this a lot and the curls are not frizzing up, so you can tame it down. I have plenty of videos showing you how to do that. If you wanted to do a middle part, you can part it down the middle. It looks really good, but you might want to open it up a little bit if you want a middle part. Concealer, so it can be seen. I like this so much, y'all. This is so pretty. You guys be like, oh, everybody say they like something. No, when I tell you I like something, I do like it. Curls are really pretty. Like, it looks so natural. The hair is super soft though. It doesn't tangle unless you pull it. Insert one side here. This, make sure don't hit that lace. And then you want to pull this over to the other side. And this is what it should look like. I really like the idea of these edges because they are so soft and just kind of go where they want to. You don't really have to lay them anywhere. You can just let them go how they want to go. I'll be sure to have this wig link below in the description box. Be sure to check down there, you guys. Discounts, all that stuff will be there. And I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, subscribe if you are new, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about today's style. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks. And also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.